I'm in San Francisco this week, attending Mobile World Congress, where I'm looking at how top brands are using RCS business messaging.
How you doing? My name is Steve French. I work for Open Market. I'm going to demonstrate Rich Communication Services, which is basically next generation SMS with a much more compelling user experience for both the end user and also great analytics for the enterprise. The first one I'm going to start with is Virgin Trains. We've been working with Virgin Trains for over a year now in the Euston train station in the UK. They have more foot traffic than they have in Heathrow. And what happens is basically everybody stands in the center of the station looking up at the board to see their platform number. It comes up, platform 6, and you have thousands of people, like a cattle herd, all going to the same platform. And frankly, it's not a very good customer experience, particularly for folks with young children or for elderly people that have some mobility issues. So they came to us, Virgin Trains, and said, how can we make this better? And we said, why don't you send an SMS out 5 or 10 minutes before the train actually gets there, so some people can get a jump start. And that's created a great user experience. People are posting on Twitter how happy they are with the service, how simple it is, and how it's made their life easier. So then we said, hey, how can we use this next generation SMS capabilities, RCS, to make the experience even better? So that's what I'm going to demonstrate here. I'm going to kick off the demo. Give me a second.
First one. That's great.
Okay, so you're at the Euston train station right now, waiting for your Virgin train, and you've just received this message saying the train is nearly ready, and then you just got a follow-up message that says it's now on the platform 6. So instead of just having a very simple text message, you have a barcode which can be used as your ticket. It tells you where you're going once again. It has the platform, and it also has your coach and your actual seat number. So this is pretty cool. But I've never been to this train station beforehand, so I'm not exactly sure where platform 6 is. So let me click on the station map. And you see this is platform 6 right here. Okay, I think I can figure that out, and I'm in coach E. That's cool. Let me see where my seat is, because I'm a big fan of having an aisle seat. I don't like to get crunched in against the window. So excellent. I've got an aisle seat here, so I'm pretty happy with that. But you can think about what might happen in the future. Somebody may have an inside seat next to the toilet, which is not their preference, and in the future you might be able to just switch your seat on the fly, which is what we might do today within an airline mobile app or on the website. So that's all good. I'm feeling a little hungry right now, so let me click on shop and see what kind of food options we have. So this is pretty interesting, so maybe I could get that. Once again, down the road we'll probably have a buy button where you can literally just buy it on demand. Or you might say, I'm looking for something else. Maybe I want to get a soda or a juice. And this is the menu that pops up. Once again, we can make this interactive in the future. People select the items they want, they click the buy button, and you might even get an option that says, would you like to have it, the order delivered to your seat, or would you prefer to pick it up at the food cart? And that basically is the demo for Virgin Trains. Thank you.